Why do 70% of techies waste cash on overpriced software? Let's change that. Today we're diving into 10 free, and yes, I said free, SaaS alternatives that'll make your wallet happy. First up, we have Only Office. Tired of paying for Microsoft Office? This gem does it all, from word processing to spreadsheets, without that pesky subscription fee. Next, check out Trello's little-known cousin Taiga. Perfect for managing projects and keeping your team on track. And guess what? No monthly charges. For design lovers, ditch Photoshop and meet GIMP. It's like Photoshop but without the heartbreak of a bank statement. Developer pals, listen up. Instead of GitHub, give GitLab a whirl. Open source, feature-packed, and totally free. Need cloud storage? Say hello to Nextcloud. Store and share your files with ease and keep your data private. Got a team chat addiction? Swap Slack for Mattermost. Same great features, zero cost. And for those video conferencing blues, Jitsi Meet has you covered. Unlimited calls, no strings attached. Finally, for CRM needs, there's Odoo. Manage everything from sales to inventory, all for free. So stop wasting money. Try these free alternatives and keep your budget intact. Like and subscribe for more tech tips.